Danny here from cruiseyseadays, and in this video I'm going to tell you the things that you shouldn't do on a cruise ship balcony. Everything on this list can get you into trouble. Anything from a fine from the cruise line, or worse, being disembarked at the next cruise port, or even being blacklisted from that cruise line. There are cameras everywhere, and other passengers may not hesitate to report you if they are annoyed. Don't say I didn't warn you. Let's start off with smoking. Smoking is only permitted in the designated smoking areas of the ship. You might think it's your balcony, but dividers don't have the strongest seals, and the passengers around you may not enjoy the smell. Also, you might think flicking that bun off the side of the ship will be okay, but it can land in the other people's balconies, or worse, can create a fire hazard as the water might not extinguish the ash. If you need to smoke, go to those designated areas. Don't throw anything overboard. Not only is this bad for the environment, but could result in damaging the ship if whatever lands in the ocean gets pulled under and sucked in by the propellers. Talk about throwing things overboard. Another point is don't keep things on the balcony to dry. They can float off and you wouldn't want to lose anything. If you're finished with it, take it back in the room. Don't climb on any furniture or the railings. The railings on a cruise ship balcony are high for a reason, designed so you can't accidentally fall overboard. Going on the railings is dangerous and has resulted in people falling overboard. As for the furniture, one slip and you could be overboard. Try and keep yourself as close to the floor as possible. Also, don't climb into other people or around balconies. A strong breeze or a sudden freak wave and you're losing grip. Take that extra time to walk into the cabins. Keep a lookout for the kids. Kids are curious and they can and will climb given the chance, and as I said before, they could fall overboard. Don't jump from your balcony. Doesn't the ocean look inviting while you're in port? Wrong. Jumping from your balcony is dangerous. Depending on the height of the ship, landing on the water could be like hitting cement. Not only that, but you could be swept under the ship. Leave the ship like everyone else and enjoy the beach somewhere else. Don't play loud music or make a lot of noise. While you think the balcony is your own private space on the ship, and to a degree that is true, but sound does travel and not everyone likes your type of music or wants to hear your conversations at the top of your voice. Don't get naked. Like I said with the music and noise, balconies are only semi-private. Those dividers only block so much, and if your next door neighbours are the curious type, they can look around or in the cracks of the dividers. There are also security cameras everywhere, so not only are your neighbours getting a show, so might security. Don't leave your balcony lights on at night. As I previously said, the dividers have cracks in them, and as such the light can beam directly into cabins. This can be annoying if your neighbours are trying to sleep and can't block the light. Let's not try to annoy our neighbours and make this a better cruise. Another reason this should be avoided is that it's a waste of electricity. Talking about wasting electricity, don't leave your cabin door open all at night. This affects the air conditioning and makes it work harder than it needs to, and makes the room warmer or colder than it needs. So close the door and adjust the temperature as needed. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, why not subscribe? And as always, thanks for watching.